Moin Moin, Marina is here. In this video I'll show you how I made a house from A Nightmare on Elm Street, but nightmare version. I cut out base pieces from cardboard and painted them with white primer. I make the door out of cardboard and carefully cut out the recess and window with a knife. I cover the door with white primer and then with red acrylic. For the glass in the windows, I took transparent plastic and glued the pieces to the inner surface of the walls. I draw the window frames with a white acrylic marker. If the line turns out to be uneven, then the excess paint can be carefully removed with a toothpick. This will be a version of a nightmare house, so there will be part of the boiler room behind the door. I glue a cardboard base and add pipes from cocktail straws and wooden sticks. I paint this part with black primer and bronze paint. I cut thick paper into strips and glue it over the walls of the house to imitate a wooden siding. I cut out window frames from seam cardboard and glue them to the walls. When the glue has dried, I paint the frames with white paint. According to my idea, there will be fire inside. I make flames from blobs of transparent texture paste. When the paste has dried, I glue it to a piece of plastic. And paint it yellow and orange with alcohol ink. I glue the strips of foam board to the bottom of the house to raise it above the base. And I isolate the part where the fire should be, so the light can be only seen through the door. I cover the floor of the boiler room with a glue and sprinkle a little tile adhesive. This rectangle of foam board will be the base. The light will be from such electronic candles with imitation of flickering flames. I carefully cut off the plastic casing and install the inner part into the base. I cut out the steps and paths from cardboard. I glue it in place and paint foundation on the base with grey paint. glued second floor windows in place and glued zinc cardboard to the roof. I make a texture on green foam around using a modeling tool and glue it to the roof. I roll up a piece of paper tightly to make a pillars for the porch. I make a frame out of cardboard and glue the columns to it. I paint it with white paint and glue it on top a piece of textured foam around. I cut the coffee stirring sticks into small pieces and paint them grey-brown. Now the resultant boards need to be attached to the windows. In the nightmare version there was a wooden grate between the second floor windows. I wanted to make it from a plastic embroidery base, but I couldn't cut it.
I'll split you in two.
Thank you?
You are welcome.
I glue the wooden grate in place and apply a wash of grey paint so the house doesn't look so clean. I apply PVA glue to the base and sprinkle imitation of dried grass. And the last details: from pieces of rope divided into fibers, I make bunches of grass and dried plant on the grate. And the final result. Thank you for watching, let me know what you think about it in the comments, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Tschüss!
1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late. 9, 10, never sleep again.